8 reasons why women want to have sex with Sigma males. Unraveling the enigma, the enigmatic Sigma male, a figure shrouded in the quiet confidence of solitude, maneuvers through the social matrix with a distinct, understated presence. Unlike their more overtly dominant counterparts, Sigma males command attention not through volume or visibility, but through the compelling gravity of their quietude and self-assuredness. This archetype, elusive and often misunderstood, forges a path defined by an inner compass rather than societal expectation, drawing others into their orbit with the promise of depth over display, substance over style. Their allure lies not in the conquest of traditional social milestones, but in the allure of a journey inward, offering a connection that invites depth, understanding, and genuine curiosity. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. 1. Mysterious aura. Sigma males exude a mysterious aura, a veil of intrigue that naturally envelops them due to their reserved nature and tendency to observe rather than engage. This reticence is not born of timidity but of choice, a deliberate conservation of energy for moments and connections that merit their engagement. This selective interaction creates an allure of exclusivity, a sense that beneath the calm exterior lies a rich, unexplored world. The mystery that Sigma males embody appeals to the human instinct for discovery and a longing to connect with something beyond the ordinary, promising layers of complexity and personal revelation that are as rewarding to unveil as they are challenging to discern. 2. Independence and self-sufficiency. In a world where interdependence is often the norm, the Sigma male's independence and self-sufficiency stand as testaments to their strength and self-reliance. This autonomy is not a wall but a bridge, offering a perspective of partnership that is additive rather than compensatory. Sigma males, in their solitude, cultivate a life rich with personal pursuits, passions, and contentment, presenting an attractive proposition of a partner who joins a relationship not out of necessity, but out of a desire to share a complete, fulfilled life. This independence suggests a relationship dynamic where both individuals are free to grow, explore, and contribute, enhancing their bond without sacrificing their essence. 3. Intellectual depth. The intellectual depth of Sigma males is a magnet for those drawn to the life of the mind. This depth extends beyond academic achievement or professional success, embodying a genuine curiosity about the world, its workings, and the philosophies that underpin human existence. Sigma males often engage in thoughtful dialogue, displaying a willingness to explore ideas, challenge conventions, and delve into discussions that stimulate and enrich. This intellectual engagement offers a form of intimacy that is both rare and deeply attractive, suggesting a partnership where conversation transcends the mundane, venturing into territories of mutual growth, learning, and exploration. 4. Emotional intelligence. The emotional intelligence that Sigma males possess reflects a nuanced understanding of the self and others. This trait, a blend of empathy, self-awareness, and communicative precision, allows them to navigate the complex waters of human emotion with grace and attentiveness. Their capacity to listen, understand, and respond to the emotional cues of others makes them exceptionally appealing partners, offering a depth of emotional connection that is both healing and transformative. This emotional acuity fosters a relationship environment where vulnerabilities are met with support, challenges with understanding, and joys with shared celebration, crafting a bond that is as resilient as it is enriching. 5. Nonconformity. The nonconformity of Sigma males is a beacon for those who seek authenticity over approval. In their refusal to adhere to societal scripts, Sigma males embody a freedom that is both liberating and compelling, signaling a life lived on one's own terms. This authenticity attracts those who value genuine expression and individuality, offering a partnership based on mutual respect for personal truths and paths. The Sigma male's nonconformity suggests a relationship that embraces differences, celebrates uniqueness, and supports personal and mutual evolution, free from the constraints of conventional expectations. 6. Quiet confidence. Quiet confidence, the hallmark of the Sigma male, is a subtle yet powerful force. This confidence, rooted in self-knowledge and acceptance, manifests not in grandiose displays, but in the steady assurance of one's actions and decisions. It's a confidence that communicates strength, reliability, and a deep-seated peace with oneself and the world. This quiet confidence is profoundly attractive, offering the promise of a partner who stands firm in the face of adversity, supports without overshadowing, and loves with a depth that is both steady and unwavering. 7. Adaptability. Adaptability, a key trait of the Sigma male, speaks to a versatility and openness to life's flux. This ability to pivot, to embrace change with equanimity and foresight, makes Sigma males particularly appealing as partners. Their adaptability suggests a relationship that can weather storms, embrace growth, and navigate the unforeseen with a shared sense of adventure and resilience. It's a trait that promises not just survival but thriving, as Sigma males and their partners find new ways to evolve and expand their horizons together, making the journey of life a shared adventure of continual discovery and adaptation. 8. Intimacy over quantity. Sigma males prioritize intimacy over quantity in their relationships, seeking deep and meaningful connections rather than superficial interactions. This preference stems from their intrinsic value system, which cherishes the quality of experiences and the depth of connections over the breadth of social engagements. In a world often preoccupied with the number of connections one has, the Sigma male's approach is a refreshing departure, focusing on the richness of fewer, more significant relationships. This depth-over-width approach to relationships offers a sense of exclusivity and significance to their partners, making each interaction more meaningful and each connection more profound. For those drawn to Sigma males, this promise of a deep, thoughtful engagement offers a sanctuary of authenticity in a sea of fleeting encounters, fostering a bond that is built on genuine understanding, mutual respect, and shared values. The Sigma male's emphasis on intimacy over quantity also reveals a commitment to the art of presence, ensuring that when they engage, they do so fully and attentively. This ability to be truly present, to listen deeply and engage sincerely, and the invitation to explore a connection that transcends the superficial. In understanding the Sigma male's appeal, we uncover not only the qualities that make them uniquely attractive, but also the universal longing for authenticity, understanding, and genuine connection that defines the human experience. This exploration of the Sigma male's allure invites us to appreciate the varied tapestries of human connection, recognizing that attraction is as diverse and nuanced as the individuals who feel it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.